I was admitted on the Sunday and I had to undergo a certain preliminary tests, etc., which is normal before a valve replacement. And so I was taken in the next morning and I spent the night at the hospital. And I was allowed to leave the following day, the Tuesday, and I was home for lunch. I would advise anyone to just think very seriously about having this procedure done and to just go ahead. Life has really changed. Things have become so much easier. I feel more comfortable, and I think my family also feels that they have less to worry about. They don't have anything to worry about.